Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil and this is our second video on Electron.js. In this video we will learn that how we can set up our Electron.js project with the basic HTML and JS. So these are the points of this video. First of all, we will make two files, index.html and main.js. After that we will initialize the npm with the npm init command. We will install the Electron, write some code for Electron, and at the last we will run this program, and it will run on you can say that the different window. This will not going to run in the browser because Electron.js is basically used for making the software, not for the web pages, right? And if you want to watch our introduction video for Electron.js, then you can watch. Link is given in the description box for complete playlist. So now let's I just want to show that where I'm just going to create this project. So I already have a folder with the name of Electron, so I will just going to make my new project inside it. So just simply write here dashboard and Electron, and now we are on this same project. So just write here mkdir YouTube, and now let's go for this YouTube folder and just open it in the Visual Studio Code. Now let's create the two files. One is index.html, and then let's create another one which is main.js, right? And now let's come on the command line and just write here npm init, and now it will ask some question to you for initializing the package.json. So we can put our package name is YouTube, version is this, description is this, and entry point is main.js. It actually referring to this main.js file. And test command, you can just keep them blank, and yes, this is okay. And you can say that the basic setup is actually done. And now we just need to install Electron.js. So come back again on the command line and just simply write here npm install Electron --save -dev and hit enter. Now it will just take a moment to install. Within that time we can just create our index.html file. So let's write some code inside it, and let's put some title here, and let's say Electron app. We can write something like this, and in the HTML body we can just write here h1 tag. Let's say we are adding here hello world, right? And now we can see that this is also installed. Just go to the package.json file and you can remove this test command because we don't need it for a moment, so we can remove it, and just write here start and put here Electron dot, right? And after that let's go to the main.js file and just take a const, and we will just import some 2 or 3 things from Electron. So just write here require Electron and just import app and browser window from it, right? Now let's simply create a function. Let's say my function name is create window, right? And we can take a const inside it like when, and just use here new browser window, and this actually contain some parameters as in JSON. So we can just add here width like 800 pixel, and height like 600 pixel. Then we can use the web preferences, so we will just use here node integration because we are using the npm and node for that, so we can just make it true for a moment, right? And now okay, so we need to add one more file. Let's add the HTML file in this window. so we can use the load file and just use here index.html for a moment, right? And here just write here app dot when ready, when our app will be gonna ready, then we can just use here then, and in this then we can use the create window, right? And that's it. So I think everything is fine. So let's clear out this window, and just write here npm start. So now you can see that we got a different window, like new software. I am using the Ubuntu system, so might be you are not awareing this stuff, like in the Windows these things are coming on the right side, and in the Mac they are a little bit different from Ubuntu. But don't worry, this same program will be run on the window, on the Mac and the other operating system also, so don't worry about that. So let's try to add some a little bit style here. So you can just write style color, and let's add aqua color for a moment, and just stop it and try to run it again. Alright, so I think I just missed something here. Okay, oh my bad, I actually add this color on the title, which is not actually possible, so I have to just add it on the h1 tag. And now let's run it again. Now you can see that color is changed. So here we can just see that this is look like a software application, and yes, to generate the exe file and the softwareable installable thing, we just need to make build for it. We will learn that how we can make a build for it in the upcoming video. But here you can see that this is opening look like a software, and we are using the CSS, HTML and JS for coding. So that's all. So if you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more Electron.js videos, JS videos and PHP and much more. Bye bye, take care, God bless you.